Welcome to my grade repair program. This program is unlike our normal class in that it is an opportunity, and as a result, there will be strict requirements and expectations for your continued participation and success. If at any time you have questions, it is important that you talk with me right away. This program is short and fast, but will be a way for you to show mastery of the content and therefore the ability to raise your grade from quarter one. Below are the requirements of this program or expectations. Failure to meet these expectations will result in you being asked to leave the program immediately and missing out on the chance to raise your grade. Before we begin, I need you to acknowledge and agree to my expectations. There are two ways to do this. One, you can retype the sentences below and add your initials at the end of each one to show you understand and agree to abide by them. If you notice, you can't just copy and paste, you actually have to type. So you can, for each one down below, type, for example, I agree to be on time. Must be completely copied. And then at the end, you give me your initials. Okay, and you could do that for all five. Or if you don't want to do that, you can click this little button right here and you could give a recording. You could do just your voice, or if you also want to show me your wonderful face. So you would click, I'm just going to do an audio, and you could start recording. It's kind of hard to see the words, so you might want to open up another page or have the sentences written down, in which case, for example, I understand there will be a final assessment on the last day of the program. I understand that I must attend all Zooms. And it uploads, insert, and you can have a recording. Again, if you're going to do the recording, as you see, it covers your screen. So I would suggest writing these down so you can read them, or opening it up in a different window so you can look at both windows. Totally up to you how you want to do it. So again, you can either type them or record audio or video of you reading them. Either way, this must be done by noon on Monday, January 25th. Failure to do so will mean that you are no longer wanting to be part of the program, and I will have you removed. As long as you get that done, we'll be good to go. I'll be posting your first assignment on Monday as well. Please reach out if you have any questions. I look forward to helping you have a successful program.